Okay, so this is outside of Venetian. Actually, this is the future Londoner. That's the Parisian, Studio City, Sands, which is turning into the Londoner. And this is Four Seasons. We're gonna go into this Venetian and check it out and see the kind of tourist activity that's going on in there. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, this is the Venetian, City of Dreams, Morpheus, Future Londoner, Conrad, and St. Regis. So we're going to be going into this one in a minute. So we just kind of did it from different windows of this little thing. I'll show you real quick. So I'm just in this hallway, and we're going to go into the Venetian. Okay, we're in Venetian, so we're just going to take a look around, and we'll just see. It's September 4th right now, so we're inside the Venetian. They have a nice canal, and it's about 6:45 approximately on a Friday evening. The reason I'm telling you that is that I believe the mall is open until 9 on a Friday, I think. Friday and Saturday. So, and basically Macau, I was at the border maybe last weekend, I believe it was, on Sunday, I think. And it was very full. There was people just constantly coming in and out. And it's basically only with China. The rest, there's no foreigners allowed. Nobody is coming in from anywhere except for mainland China. But mainland China is huge, so there's a lot of people at the border. So we're just gonna walk around to see if that's a reflection at some of the casinos or not. I'm gonna be kind of in the mall part area, so I might walk into the casino part because a lot of people are curious if I see much going on there. I don't have much to compare it to because I don't go in to the casino grounds very often, and I have to put on a mask and take a do a testing and all this kinds of stuff. Okay, so anyways, this is there's something going on up there somewhere. Somebody's moving something. So it's definitely more activity than the last time I've been here, but of the casinos in Cotai, this one is usually busier than other ones. So this is a kind of a popular casino for residents as well. It kind of has everything. It has a good food court, has a nice ambience. It's easy to get to. So some of the casinos are not very easy to get to for locals. But if you're a tourist, it's all easy because basically everything is hooked up. There's direct buses to almost every casino from the entry points. So from the, let's see, you could go down that way as well. There's a food court down that way. Let's go check out the food court. Food court is a good indication of how the city's doing, because usually it's very, very crowded when the tourists are in full swing. So we'll go there and check it out. There's casino. Let's see if we can see anything down there. There's part of the casino, but you can't see anything from here. So we're gonna walk to the left, and then we can see the food court. And this is if it's full of tourists, then usually there's no seats anywhere. It's just completely full, and people will be sitting at the same table as you if there's an empty chair. Even it's that crowded. I don't suspect it to be that crowded though. I think mainland China, I think there's still some restrictions, so it's not like a billion people can come. They have to apply for permission and all kinds of things. Okay, well, here you go. So the seats are pretty empty compared to the general. So let's just kind of see. Yeah, it's pretty empty. Show you some of the places. There's like pho, Vietnamese pho, Hong Kong cuisine. Let's kind of walk through here. Some more casinos over there. Japanese, Chiang Mai, Thailand, Singapore, Sadap, Singapore. Oh, Taiwan one is open again. That's been closed for a while. Okay, here's the Portuguese one with pork chop buns. Well, it's not pork, it's Macanese, sorry. So let me see. So yeah, o caustico. So o caustico is Macanese. It's Korean way over there. And there's Chinese and Taiwanese. Food court's not too bad. There's some activity, but not tons. So we're gonna go into this one centerpiece, and when the tourists are here, it's there's this. Well, they'll come in on tour buses. So I haven't seen tour buses in a while. The tour buses usually, you know, come across from Hong Kong on the ferries and all kinds of stuff, and they're usually just filled in this big space up here, which I don't see today. Hardly anybody's in here today. So this one is some of the casino. There's Victoria's Secret. That one is kind of the more shopping mall area. And then this one is a stage that's used to always have Russians performing music, or something that was very cultural and very Western to Chinese eyes. Like playing the violin, things like that. Gondola. The gondola. This food court looks kind of busy. Looks like it's part of a bakery, Lady M, New York. So, okay. I guess we're gonna end it in a minute. That might be the end of our video. Madeira is a Portuguese restaurant. Okay. So I think we're gonna end it there, but at least you kind of have a little update of what it looks like in September. I should give you all the updates about everything. Basically, at the moment, no foreigners can come into Macau. Only ethnic Chinese from China. Hong Kong can come over, but they have a 2-week quarantine. I think Taiwan can come over with a 2-week quarantine, but nobody can come over from the United States or Europe or somewhere like that, unless they have rights to Macau. Like if you have a residency, like if you're a Portuguese with residency rights, then you can. Otherwise, you cannot. So that's basically the situation at the moment. So okay. That's a big blue ceiling. I think we're just gonna end it right there. Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.